assimilate all of this.
Oh, you got the jitters, kid. That's cute. Look, it's just the beginning of a whole new life.
I think my rib cage is about to explode.
Oh, Hicks, I got a whole new appreciation for that sense of humor of yours. Oh, wait till you see Aunt Sally walking down the aisle.
Oh, yeah. I'm heading out right now to find a suit. I want to look good for the big day, you know?
Attaboy. You know, marriage is no different from any other relationship. You get out of it exactly what you put into it. Keep that in mind.
Okay. Oh, this is some fucked up shit. What the hell was Sally doing in my freaking bed? And oh my god, what was that hideous thing in the hallway? Oh, fuck my life. Anyway, I gotta go talk to Matt and tell him what's going on. Can't open it. It's locked. I gotta get inside before it's too late. Crap, I broke the card. I guess I'll have to find another way to get in. Matt, you there?
Hey! What's with all the yelling? If you're looking for Matthew, I'm afraid you're too late.
Oh, what do you mean?
I saw him leaving 5 minutes ago. He was completely wasted, and he said he was going to the bar for some more. That kid is beyond help.
Let's not start judging people by their acts.
Then how do we judge people?
I don't know. By their looks? Elaine? Holy shit, is that you?
What do you think? Hello?
Man, I'd pay a cover charge to get in here.
If you're gonna start with one of your little jokes, I'm not really in the mood.
Oh, are you having a bad day? What can I do for you? What do you need? Feel like dancing?
No, Randall, I don't want to dance.
What's the matter? Can a guy dance with his favorite waitress? By the way, you look absolutely stunning today.
Knock it off, Randall. And stop drooling. I'm so tired of cleaning up your bodily fluids. God!
I'm sorry.
Just kidding, you jerk.
Wow, and you're funny too. What a package. Have you seen Matt around?
Unfortunately, I have. He left a while ago. The poor guy was completely broken.
Well, at least he was still in one piece. That's a good sign.
A good sign? He was devastated. I've never seen him like that before.
Well, that's because you didn't see him after watching X-Men 3. Anyway, that's not what I meant when I said still in one piece.
I don't get it.
Never mind. Did he say anything to you?
Well, we talked for a while. You came off really badly, as you can imagine.
I'm trying to fix it already.
Well, you're not doing a very good job.
Believe me, it could be worse. At least he didn't redecorate his kitchen today. Yet.
What?
Never mind. Anyway, look on the bright side.
Oh, is there a bright side?
You look absolutely amazing. That is a bright side.
Yeah, you said that before. Cut it out, will ya?
All right. Let's get back to Matt. What happened?
Well, he told me to bring him a pitcher of beer every 10 minutes until he passed out. At which point, I was to bring him a pitcher of beer every 5 minutes. Then he puked and left.
Well, did he mention where he was off to?
He said a lot of stuff, but I couldn't get a single word of it.
You said he puked. It doesn't smell like puke in here.
Very observant. He went to the restroom to throw up.
In the restroom? That's weird. That doesn't sound like him at all.
Believe me, I heard it. If 1,000 people threw up at the same time, I'd be able to pick out Matt's retching.
Right. So, about that other thing. You look really great today, Elaine. Like, really great. I mean, like, gorgeous.
Again with that? Ugh, quit it already.
I can't help it. I mean, all right, look, I need to take care of a few things first, but I'll try and stop by again later, okay?
I can't wait.
Looks like there's something under that thick layer of puke, and I'm sure it's Matt's, but what can it be? I should patent this thing. It's the best. I'm sure I'll never be the same again after this. Ugh. Well. So Matt went to see Dr. Johnson. I guess I'll have to pay him another visit. Wow, why is my face on those posters? So playing dirty, huh? Well, I can't just burst in then. I already have enough problems. Hey, what's up, fellas?
Fellas, who the fuck are you?
Easy, dude. I was just wondering what you guys were doing here.
We don't even know you, dude. Get the fuck out of here.
What's with the attitude?
Look, we don't trust total strangers, right? You could be a fucking cop or something.
Come on, do I look like a cop to you?
I don't know, but cops are just everywhere.
Well, believe me, I'm no cop.
What do you think, man? Okay, we trust you. So what the fuck do you want?
Oh, nothing. I was just curious.
Well, curiosity killed the cat, dude.
Well, I'm not a cat, so what are you guys doing here?
Business, man. All business.
It's just that, well, you know, you totally look like a couple of dealers.
So what?
Oh, nothing. I mean, just, what are you guys selling?
Shit, everything but coke, heroin, and our asses.
Okay?
Snoogans. I should have seen your face, man.
Oh, yeah. Hilarious.
We're selling contraband Captain Red masks.
Really? Where'd you get them from?
Well, that fuckhole who runs a comic store left a box full of them in his fucking car. All we had to do was break the glass and boom, take them.
Do you have any Guy Fawkes or Predator masks?
Let me check if there's any left in the bag. Dude, come on, man. Where the hell do you think you are? Fucking Walmart? I told you, we just have Captain Red masks.
Okay, gotcha. Can I have one of those?
A mask? Look, I don't know, man. You look like a guy who's gonna be a pain in my balls.
You shouldn't judge people before you get to know them. You guys are a good example.
Hey, what the fuck is that supposed to mean?
Nothing. I'm just saying you guys look like a couple of drug dealers in those costumes. But then I talked to you and saw that you don't deal drugs. You just deal other stuff.
Yo, you got any cash?
Not even a dime.
Then what the fuck, dude? Shit, if you ain't got no fucking money, why should we keep wasting our time with you?
Because your friend is not talking and you miss having someone to chat to.
You're right, man. This fat bastard really drives me up the wall sometimes with his not speaking ass. What, you have a problem? I'm just speaking the truth here, sir. Oh man, this is so boring. I wish there was something to keep us entertained for a while.
And isn't it ironic that you always go around with a silent guy?
Well, I never gave it any thought, buddy.
Whatever. So about those masks, why don't you just give me the first one for free? Isn't that how it usually works with you dealers?
Who the fuck do you think we are, man?
And what do you want them for?
Hey, that's a whole lot of questions for someone who isn't a cop, dude. Look, this year is supposed to be the 35th anniversary of fucking Captain Red. So we figured, boom, there's gotta be a bunch of dumb fucks out there who'll get a hard-on for this kind of shit.
Well, I'm not sure. You know, that show has been going downhill for quite some time now. Sales just completely suck.
Fuck that little fuckhole fucking Captain Red, dude. We're going for the nostalgia factor. Believe me, there are tons of little pussies in this town who are dying to have one of these masks no matter the cost.
If you say so. Okay, so, I'll leave you guys to it. See ya.
See you around, bud. Snooch.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, man. Turn that shit up.
I know it might sound a little disgusting, but a cigarette is a cigarette. I've smoked way worse things.
I know what you're thinking. You think now we owe you because you did us a favor. But we're not just some pair of sackless wonders here, man. We don't owe you shit.
I was just hoping you guys would at least give me one of those Captain Red masks.
Yeah, if you want one, then you gotta fight for it.
Well, what do you have in mind?
Hey, I'm thinking dance off. You and me toe to toe. But I doubt, and I really doubt you'd want to throw down with someone of my status, son.
Yeah, agreed.
So, can you rap? Show me what skills you got. I mean, your flow, bro.
My what?
Instead of just standing there looking like some crackhead whore, open up wide and choke on my balls.
I don't think so.
Make your move, homeboy, and take a trip down south. Either way, you'll end up juggling these nuts in your mouth.
I think you have some serious issues, my friend. Serious issues.
I'm just like Bush, I don't care what you vote. The only thing you're getting's fat dick down your throat.
I'm starting to get a little pissed off here, Dancy boy.
Listen up, homie, final quest. Get on your knees and I'll do the rest.